Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Looking for an easy, no-bake holiday dessert recipe that will impress all your guests? Then this creamy, bright, beautifully layered cranberry tiramisu will become your go-to make-ahead dessert this Christmas season. It's elegant, balanced, and surprisingly simple to make. Let's do it together. Begin with the heart of the recipe, the cranberry compote. Add fresh or frozen cranberries to a saucepan, along with sugar, water, a splash of vanilla extract, and plenty of orange zest. And since we're using the orange zest, we might as well juice the orange as well. And cook this over medium-high heat. As soon as the heat kicks in, the cranberries starts to burst and release their deep ruby color. Stir occasionally and let this simmer for about 10 minutes until the mixture thickens and all the berries have popped open. You want it jammy but spreadable. Once it reaches this stage, take it off the heat. Optional step here is to strain out about a quarter cup of the compote, so you're left with a smooth cranberry sauce that can be used to decorate the tops of your finished tiramisu. Then let it cool completely. While that's cooling, you can whip up the mascarpone cream. This is a traditional Italian tiramisu that uses egg yolks in the mascarpone layer. So into a bowl, add the egg yolks and sugar and whip it until light in color, airy and smooth. Scrape down the sides as you whip to ensure that it's evenly mixed. Now, add in the mascarpone cheese. It will whip easier if it's not straight out of the fridge. When that's all blended, this mascarpone cream is what balances the tartness of the cranberries with the rich, velvety sweetness. Add in the whipping cream and a little bit of the strained cranberry sauce if you want. And continue to whip that until you have soft peaks. We want it airy and pourable, but not too stiff. Instead of the classic coffee soak, we'll make a simple cranberry dip, which is just cranberry juice, a couple spoons of the cranberry compote we made earlier, and optional but highly recommended is generous splash or two of your favorite liqueur. I'm using this vanilla rum, but Grand Marnier will work great here too. Now we're ready to assemble. I'm using this glass dessert bowls to make individual servings, but you can also do this in a large square or rectangular deep Pyrex dish and cut into individual servings later. Start by spreading a thin layer of the cool cranberry compote at the bottom of your serving dish. Dip each ladyfinger briefly into the cranberry dip. Place them in an even layer over the compote. Top with a good amount of cranberry compote and some of the cranberry dip liquid. And then follow by a generous layer of the mascarpone cream. Smooth it out and then repeat. Dip ladyfingers, cranberry compote, more cream. You may get 2 or 3 beautiful layers. And take your time assembling the layers. The contrast between the pale cream and bright cranberry will make this dessert as stunning as it is delicious. For the final touch, cover the top with the strained cranberry sauce, or you can make a heart-shaped design like so. It adds a pop of color and give the guests a hint of what's beneath the surface. Cover the tiramisu and refrigerate for at least 4 hours. Overnight is even better. And there you have it, cranberry tiramisu. Creamy, tangy, festive, and perfect for any holiday table. Serve it chilled, scoop generously, and enjoy every bright, luxurious bite. As always, you can find the written recipe on my website, yansfamilytable.com. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and comment below if you've made it. I would love to know how it turned out. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more easy and fun recipes like this. And I'll see you next time.